ABB Drives story is one of the greatest success stories in ABB globally, in ABB's history altogether. For us in Drives, it is actually a story from a pioneering small organization in Helsinki to a true global leadership. It is a story from one limited factory in Helsinki to production in all continents, in 6 factories, in 6 countries, I believe, nowadays. It is a story from standard drives to multi-drives, sectional drives, medium voltage drives, drives for different applications. It is a story from tens of units a year to millions annually. I am Tauno Heinola. I joined a Finnish company called Strömberg December 1st, 1983 as export sales engineer. My first responsibility was to support Strömberg's daughter companies in Norway and Denmark, and later on in the UK. And then after a few years, I had opportunity to move to Canada to work for ABB Canada as Drives marketing manager, and came back to Finland in Drives again, and then had opportunity to move to China to start up ABB's Drives company there. From beginning of 2011, I was country manager for Finland for 6 years, and then another 3 years country manager for Australia. When the technology was new, customers had a lot of concerns. Voltage reflection when motor cables were long, that was one concern. Then in offshore applications, this environment is quite aggressive, salty air. How the drives could survive there. Then perhaps third one, mining shovels in coal mines. There is conductive dust in air, vibration, extreme temperatures, quite challenging environment. Big load shocks also. Voltage reflection actually again refers to new technology and mature technology. In the beginning, this phenomenon was not very well understood or known. And our Kari Tikkanen showed, starting from Maxwell equations, how to calculate the highest voltage peaks that drives could cause in motor terminals when motor cables are long. And this came up for me in Canada when I was working in Canada in big pulp and paper in pulp mill project, and the consultant was very concerned whether our drives would destroy motor insulation. But thanks to Kari Tikkanen, I was able to prove, starting from physics, what kind of voltage spikes there could be. Our motor insulation was strong enough to take these voltage spikes. We got the project in oil or offshore applications. There this corrosive environment is a big concern. So we solved it by lacquering printed circuit boards using air filters, then cabinet heaters against condensation of water along the walls. The whole electrical room also had filters. One Monday morning I went to office in Beijing. Our sales manager asked, what did I do? What did you do during weekend? I said I went to hike in the mountains north of Beijing. He was surprised and asked, how could you find your way? Those days there were almost no road signs, no proper maps. So I just answered, perhaps I cannot, but we can. I was with a local person there, so that was a secret, but that became one of the slogans in our Drives company. Today's world is so complex that none of us knows everything and none of us needs to know everything. But we together as a team, as a company, with our suppliers, customers, other stakeholders, we together can do incredible things. I am very proud of the many gurus, technology gurus, for example, that we have had and have in this company. Martti Harmoinen, you could say the father of this technology in ABB. Kari Tikkanen helped me with this voltage reflection story, and that was critical in Canada for our success. Then in wind industry, we in ABB Finland, Drives Finland organization, we have real gurus who understand the wind converter connection to network and special situations. Having this kind of gurus in our organization builds